Hi, my name is Preston Justinson. I'm a welding instructor here at Davis Technical College, and today I'm going to show you how to do a vertical MIG weld, particularly on a groove weld. Now, vertical MIG, it takes a little bit more extra skill. That way the weld doesn't drop out on you. So what I'm going to do is when I start my weld, I'm going to do a zigzag pattern. I'm going to start my weld, I'm going to go over just a little bit and pause for a minute and kind of zig my way up each step. And it'll look like a big old zipper going up in between the two plates. Okay, so let's get started.